NBC team discovered the former fighter about 3 years ago at Oliafilwa, a village in the south of Angola, some 50 kilometers from the border between Angola and Namibia. He was first spotted in the village in 1989 and said to have come there in a confused state of mind. The government, through different ministries, has since been trying to repatriate him. Social workers were sent there to give proper counseling, and later a medical doctor visited him to examine his condition. It was later discovered that Mbulala is apparently suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder and can be cured if well handled. Last year, the Ministry of Home Affairs and Immigration issued him a national document, a birth certificate and an identification card, and promised to speed up his repatriation. Despite all these efforts, Mbulala's family says the repatriation is taking too long. His sister, August Moshipandeka, says their 95-year-old mother has been diagnosed and hospitalized with a heart condition.
It is too long now that he was discovered and still lives in the bushes. Please be merciful and bring him home. My mother is suffering because his son who was lost is found but still lives in the bushes. Please hear us and bring him home.
They also suggested that it was better for Mbulala to be repatriated and be hospitalized in a local hospital so that they could visit him. But the Ministry of Veterans Affairs says Mbulala is residing in a foreign country and that the two governments had to agree on the process to repatriate him. Mbulala will also not be receiving veterans' benefits while still in Angola. And only when he is home will the ministry issue him with all benefits like all other veterans. Reporting for NBC News, I am Padron Nepembe at Oshakati.